Good morning, children. In the last class, we have learnt reading and writing 4-digit numbers. Yes. Today, we'll learn to write place value and face value of 4-digit numbers. Today, we'll find out how to write place value and face value of 4-digit numbers. Let's take one example. See here this example. This number is 4,321. This number is 4,321. Now how to write place value of each digit in 4-digit number, we'll see here. Example is 4,321. Now this one is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in hundred place, and this 4 is in thousand place. Yes, put a place value chart first. Put a columns like this. Here ones, tens, hundreds, and here thousands. Now write the number in each place. In 0 place, which number is there? 1. In tens place, 2 is there, and in hundred place, 3 is there, and in thousand place, 4 is there. Write this 4 here. Now we'll write the value of each digit in each place. The value of 1 in ones place will be 1 only. The value of any number in ones place will be the same number. This is in ones place number will be having only 1 digit. Tens place number will be having 2. Hundred place 3 digit number, and thousand place will be having 4 digit numbers. Okay. Ones place, the value of 1 in ones place will be 1 only. 1 ones is equal to 1 only. Yes. 1 time ones is 1 only. This 2 is in tens place now. 2 tens is equal to 2 into 10. Yes, 2 tens is 20. 2 into 10 is 20. Yes, this is tens, and the place value of tens is 10. This is 1, this is 10, 100, and this one is thousand place. Yes, so we need to multiply the number by 10. So the value of 2 in tens place will be 20, and the value of 3 in hundred place will be 3 into 100. 3 into 100 is 3, ones are 3 as it is, followed by these two zeros. The value of 3 in hundred place will be 300. And now the value of 4 in thousand place value will be 1000. Yes, and 4 is there. So the value of 4 in thousand place will be 4000. 4 ones are 4, followed by 3 zeros. 4000. The value of 4 in thousand place will be 4000. These are the place value of the number 4321. Okay. Now we'll see the face value of this 4321. Now we'll write the face value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones place 1 is there, tens place 2, hundred place 3, and thousand place 4 is there. So the face value of any digit in any place of this place value chart remains the same. The face value always remains the same. The face value of 1 in ones place will be 1 only. The face value of 2 in tens place will be 2 only. The place value of 3 in hundred place will be 3 only. The face value of 3 in hundred place will be 3 only, and the face value of 4 in thousand place will remain as it is, that is 4. So the face value will always remain same. It will not change in any of the place in place value chart. Okay, the face value will be the same as it is the same number, but the face value of the number changes. Yes. Now we'll see one more example. I'll take the example 5312. Okay, 5312. We'll write the face value and place value of the numbers. Let's write first place value. You can write directly the place values, or else you can put this column and write. Put this column and write. Ones, tens, hundreds, th means thousand. In ones place 2 is there, tens place 1 is there, 100 place 3 is there, and 5 is in thousand place. Now the place value will find out. The value of 2 in ones place will be 2 only, and the value of 1 in tens place is 1 into 10 is 10 only. The value of 1 in tens place will be 10, and the value of 3 in 100 place will be 3 into 100. 3 into 100 is 300. So the value of 3 in 100 place, the place value of 3 in 100 place will be 300, and the place value of 5 in 1000 place will be 5000, because this is 1000 place and the 1000 place will be having the value of 1000. 1000 multiplied by 5 will be 5 ones are 5, and the remaining 3 numbers as it is you need to write, and after ones, tens and hundreds you should put comma here. Okay. Now we'll write face value. Face value. The face value of 5312 will be, the face value of 2 will be 2 only, the face value of 1 in tens place will be 1 only, and the place value of 3 in 100 place will be 3 only, and the face value of 5 in 1000 place will be 5 only. Okay, the face value will not change in any place. Now we'll see the exercises from your textbook. Open page number 14, children, and we'll see this exercise first. Circle the digit in the 1000 place, 100 place, tens place, and ones place. Here they have given few numbers. Let's read and answer for this question. They have asked to circle the digit in the 1000 place. In these numbers we need to circle the digit which is in 1000 place, and in B number question we have to circle the digit which is in 100 place, and here tens place, and here ones place number we need to circle. Let's see first one, A1, 1000 place. Here they have given 4 numbers. Let's read this. Ones, tens, thousands. 4 is in hundreds and 4 is in 1000 place. So 4030. Yes, 4030. Now children, in this number, which number is in 1000 place? This 0 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, this 0 is in 100 place, and 4 is in 1000 place. Yes, this 4 is in 1000 place. So we'll circle this 4. We have to circle the number which is in 1000 place. And read this number, 7813. Which number is in 1000 place here? Ones, tens, hundreds. 7 is in 1000 place. So circle the digit 7. Now here this is a biggest or largest 4-digit number. This number is 9999. Yes, and in this the 1000 place number is ones, tens, hundreds, and 1000. This is in 1000 place. So circle this number. Now find out the 1000 place number in 2020. Circle and send. Okay. Now see B1, 100 place number. Now we have to circle the number which is present in 100 place. This number is 3480. Yes. In 100 place, which number is there? This is ones place, this is tens, this is 100. Yes. So we'll circle the 100 place number here. Circle the 100 place number in these three numbers. Now C1 is tens place. We need to circle the number which is in tens place. Put a comma here. Now read the number first. 5555 is the number. And we have to circle the number which is in tens place. Which number is in tens place, children? This number in one place, tens, hundreds, thousand. So this second number will be in tens place. This 5 is in tens place. So circle this number. Now next one, D1, ones place numbers. Solve the remaining and send. Okay. D1 is ones place. We need to circle the numbers which are in ones place now. This number is 3214. In this number, which number is in ones place? This 4 is in ones place. So circle this 4. In 6873, which number is in ones place? This is 1000, 100, tens, and this 3 is in ones place. So circle this 3. Okay. Circle the remaining numbers. Okay. Now let's see the second exercise. Write the place value of the circle digit in each set. We need to write here the place value of the circle digit which they have circled. The value of that we need to write. We have to write the place value of that. Let's see the first one. One is 3420. In 3420 they have circled the number 2. This 2 is in 100 place. Sorry, this 2 is in tens place. This is ones, this is tens. This 2 is in tens place. So the value of 2 in tens place will be 20. 2 followed by 1020. Okay. The value of 2 in tens place will be 2 tens is 20. Yes. Second one is 4532. Now the value of 2 in 4532 is, this 2 is in ones place. So the value of 2 in ones place will be 2 ones is equal to 2 only. The value of ones place number will remain same because it is a one digit number. Now find the value of these two, place value of these two numbers here. Now see B1, $5,321. 1 is in ones place, 2 is in tens, 3 is in 100 place, 5 is in 1000 place. This 5 is in 1000 place. So 5 into 1000 is equal to 5 ones are 5 and remaining 3 zeros add as it is. Yes. So the value of 5 in 1000 place will be 5000. Okay. Find the value of place value of these three numbers, and they have asked here one question. What is the face value of 2 in each number? In each number, what is the face value they have asked? The face value will remain same. Yes. So the face value of 2 in each number is 2 only. Okay. Now see the next exercise. Write the face value and the place value of the circle digit. We need to write the face value as well as the place value of the circle digits here. First question is 6823. This 8 is in 100 place. 3 is in ones. This is tens place. This is 100 place and this one is 1000 place. This 8 is in 100 place now. Right? H here. This 8 is in 100 place. The face value of 8 in 100 place will be 8 only. Yes, the face value will not change in any place value chart. Okay, any place in the place value chart. So the face value of the numbers will remain the same. Now place value will be different. The place value of 8 in 100 place will be 8 into 100 is 800. Yes, 800, that is 3 digit number. Okay, the place value of 8 in 100 place will be 800. Now read the next number C1, 3275. This number is 3275. Here 5 is in ones place, 7 is in tens place, 2 is in 100 place and 3 is in 1000 place. 7 is in tens place here. Yes, the face value of 7 in tens place will be 7 only. The face value will remain same. And the place value of 7 in tens place will be 7 tens is equal to 7 into 10 is 70. The place value of 7 in tens place will be 70. Now solve the remaining sums and send. Now we'll see children how to expand and write 4-digit numbers. We'll see the expanded notation and in that expanded form and standard form we'll learn today. Okay. See for example 7348. 7348. Children, in third standard you have learnt how to expand the 3-digit number. See for example 493. This is a 3-digit number. Yes, 493 is a 3-digit number. How do you expand this number, children? 3 is in ones place, so write its value as 3 only, and after writing each place number, we have to write the plus sign. We have to put the plus sign. And 9 is in tens place, so its value will be 90. Yes, and this 4 is in 100 place, so its value will be 400. So the expanded form of 493 will be 400 plus 90 plus 3. Same like this only, we have to write the expanded form of 4-digit number. Here only one extra number will come, that will be in the 1000 place. Yes. Now let's write this 8 is in ones place. 8 ones is equal to 8 only. After writing each place value, we have to put the plus sign. And 4 is in tens place, so 4 into 10 is 40. The place value of 4 in tens place will be 40, plus this 3 is in ones place, so its place value will be 300. 300 plus 1000 place number will be having 4-digit numbers. Yes, 1000 place number will be having 4 digits. So the value of 7 in 1000 place will be 7 into 1000 is equal to 7 ones are 7 and these 3 zeros as it is. So the value of 7 in 7000 place will be 7000. So the expanded form of 7348 is 7000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 8. Yes. Now we'll see one more example from the textbook. See this example. Read this first. 5308. 5308. Now see here, in ones place 8 is there, so its value will be 8 only. Multiplied by 10 will be always 0 only. Yes, 0 multiplied by 10 will be 0 only. So we should not write the value of 0 in any of the place value chart in expanded form. Okay, and 100 is in 100 place 3 is there, so 3 into 100 is 300. Okay, and 5 is in 1000 place, so its value will be 5000. Now how to write this? 5000 plus 300 plus, in tens place 0 is there, so its value will be 0. No need to write that value, that is 0. In ones place 8 is there, so directly write 8. 5000 plus 300 plus 8 is the expanded form of 5308. Now let's see the exercise. write each number in the expanded notation. See, A1 4008. This number is 4008. Here 8 is in ones place, 4 is in thousand place, and these two zeros are in ones place and in tens place and hundred place. So no need to write the value of zeros in expanded form. Okay, 4 is in thousand place, so its value will be 4 into 1000 is 4000. 4000 plus directly you need to write the ones place number, because in hundred place and tens place zeros are there. This is hundred place, 0 into 100 will be 0 only, so no need to write, and 0 into 10 will be 0 only. So write directly the ones place number, that is 8. And 8 is in ones place, so its value will remain same, that is 8 only. The value of 8 in ones place will be 8 only. Now see the next example. We'll see this D1. 7456. 7 is in thousand place, 4 is in hundred place, 5 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. So 7 into 1000 is 7000. 7000 plus, we need to write the plus sign after expanding the each number. 4 is in hundred place. Yes, 4 into 100 is 400. 400 plus 5 tens. 5 is in tens place, 5 tens is 50. And 6 ones is 6 only. The value of 6 in ones place will be 6 only. So the expanded form of 7456 is 7000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. Now solve the remaining numbers, that is expand the remaining numbers and send. We'll see the next exercise. Write each number in the expanded notation. Here also we need to write the 4-digit numbers in the expanded form. See first example, 2438. Here 8 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in hundred place, and this 2 is in thousand place. So 2 into 1000 is 2000. 2000 plus this 4 is in hundred place. So 4 into 100 is 400. The value of 4 in hundred place will be 400 plus the value of 3 in tens place will be 30, and the value of 8 in ones place will be 8 only. Okay. Now expand these numbers also. Now we'll see how to write 4-digit numbers in standard form. Okay. If the numbers are expanded, then how to write numbers in the standard form? Let's see one example. Here they have given 1000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 7. This number is expanded now. Yes, this number is in the expanded form now. Now we have to write this number in the standard form. Then how to write this number in the standard form? Put a place value chart like this: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay. This 7 is in ones place, 1-digit number. 7 you need to write in ones place, in ones place value chart, in place value chart, and 50 in 50. 5 is in 50 means 5 tens. Yes. So write 5 in tens place. This 300. This is 300, and we need to write the 100 place value. 300 means 3 hundreds. Yes, 3 hundreds. So in 100 place write 3, and in 1000 place write here 1. So now we have to write this number in the standard form, that is 1357. Write each number. First 1000 place number will come, put a comma, then 100 place, tens place, then ones place number. Right, like this we need to write the numbers in the standard form if they have expanded the number. Okay, we'll see the exercise now directly. Write the numbers in the standard form. Read the number 4000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 8. Now we'll Put this number in the place value chart first. Put the numbers in the place value chart using rough book, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. 8 is in ones place. This 8 is in tens place. 8 tens means 8 is in tens place. Okay. Next 700s. 700s means we need to put this 7 in 100 place. 4000 means in 1000 place we need to write 4 here. Okay. So the expanded form of 4000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 8 is 4788. 4788. Okay. Now let's see the next number. 7000 plus 40 plus 3. Okay. Put a place value chart. Okay. Now write the numbers. 3 is in ones place. This 44 is in the tens place, and after that here 3 digit number is missing. This is 1 digit. After that 2 digit number is there, tens place numbers, and the 100 place number, that is 3 digit number, is missing here. Directly they have given 1 2 3 4. 4 digit number directly they have given. This means we should understand that if any number is missed, any place value number is missed, we should understand that 0 will come there. So write in 100 place nothing is there means 0, and in 1000 place 7000 is there, so write here 7 in 1000 place. Okay. So the standard form of 7000 plus 40 plus 3 is 7043. Okay. In 100 place numbers are not there, the number is missing, so we should write 0 there. Write the remaining numbers in the standard form and see the next exercise. Now write the numbers in the standard form. Same, we have to write these expanded numbers in the standard form. See here 4000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 6. This 6 is in ones place. This 60 means 6 tens. Yes, 6 tens. So write this 6 in tens place in the place value chart, and 8 is in 100 place. 8 hundreds means we need to write the 8 in 100 place, and 4000. 4 is in 1000. So this is the standard form of 4000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 6, that is 4866. Now you have to write the standard form for these remaining numbers and send. Okay. Thank you.